So if you want to install and update all your programs at once, so I will show you a website that I really use years before, and I'm very satisfied, very happy with this website. So if you have not known until now, I will show you this website, and it is called NINITE. So NINITE. I don't know if really NINITE. So in this site, you can pick all the apps you want and then install at your computer. So if you want one of the browsers, you can just go here and find all the browsers, even the latest one, Edge. So if you want some developer tools like GDK or Python, some programs, coding programs like Eclipse and so on. So then Zoom, you can see we have Zoom also. And the media, if you do not have media installed, you can also install some offices, some cute PDFs, and everything. This has more programs, and it's very secured. I think if you want to download something, so all in once, it's going to be great. So if you want to install only one of the programs, you just click here. You can choose, 3 programs in the same time. You can choose, example, time viewer and Zoom, and then just go get your NINITE. So this will automatically be installed at your computer. So hope this helps. And this is one of the greatest website that someone did. I don't know who did it, but I really like it. So I just wanted to share with you. If you want to install some antiviruses, you have here for free. You can just install, and then depending on the trial form, you can also upgrade one of these programs. So thanks for watching, and hope you like NINITE.